Arduino IDE or PlatformIO? Which one should you actually use? I've been in this exact spot, one hand telling me to stay safe with Arduino IDE, the other tempting me with PlatformIO's powerful feature. After years of working on embedded projects, I can tell you, once you'd see what PlatformIO can do, you'd never look back. Stick around because I'm about to give you 7 big reasons why PlatformIO isn't just better, it's on a whole new level. Arduino IDE is fine when you are got one board, one project, but what happens when you want code for an STM32, ESP32 and an Arduino Mega all at the same time? In Arduino IDE, you have stuck switching, reconfiguring and wasting time. With PlatformIO, you can have multiple environments in single project. I can literally build code for 3 boards at once just by changing one line. That's freedom, that's power, that's what serious development feels like. Let's be real, Arduino IDE feature like using Notepad. PlatformIO run inside Visual Studio Code, which means you're coding with IntelliSense, smart suggestion, auto-completion and even themes. You can customize your environment exactly the way you like it. Dark mode, light mode, there are cooler themes, whatever make you feel at home. And the best part, you are in the same environment as a backend developer, web developer, even AI programmer. You don't have to switch between apps with different quality and features. You've got one unified professional workspace. Have you ever lost a project because you didn't back it up properly, or try to share your Arduino sketch and half the libraries went missing? PlatformIO fixes that. It plays perfectly with Git. You can track your changes, roll back mistakes, and collaborate with your teammates just like any pro software engineering would. This is different between hobby coding and professional embedded development. Remember the nightmare of hunting down the random zip file for a library, dropping it into a folder and praying it doesn't break your project? PlatformIO just handle it. It downloads the right version automatically, installs it in seconds, and keep your project clean. If you share your code, anyone can build it instantly. No missing library, no headache, it's like going from coast to call. Arduino IDE's debugging is print a statement. That's it. If you've ever sat with serial print function just to figure out what's happening, you know the pain. PlatformIO give you real debugging tool, breakpoint, variable inspection, step through code, and if you want to be next level, you can even write unit tests for your firmware. Suddenly, you are not just coding, you are engineering with confidence. This one blow my mind in PlatformIO. You control every detail of your build process, compiler flags, optimization levels, even different configuration for different hardware, all in the same project. Imagine have a debugging mode and a release mode ready at the flip of switch. Arduino IDE, forget it. You got one button, just one button for upload. And here's underrated gem. PlatformIO lives right inside VS Code, which means your embedded projects are in the same environment as your backend code, your web app, even your AI script. No more switching app with different editor, different shortcut, and different feature. one workspace, one flow, maximum productivity. That's why so many engineering feels at home in PlatformIO. So yeah, Arduino IDE has its charm. It's simple, beginner friendly, and great to get started. But when you are ready to grow, when your project gets serious, PlatformIO is the upgrade you didn't know you needed. Multi-board support, VS Code integration, Git, debugging tool, library dependency management. It's like moving from a bicycle to a rocket ship. So tell me in the comments, are you still Team Arduino or are you ready to jump into PlatformIO? And if you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more embedded trip, and I see you in the next video.